Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm kind of intrigued by how many quote-unquote smart items there are. This is a smart brushless cordless drill right here made by Blackzero, so I thought it's worth giving it a shot and seeing what's in here. Honestly, I never knew that these type of things existed for drills, but again, going to keep an open mind here, and I'm actually kind of eager to check this out. So nothing around the box here. Inside this box is the toolbox here. Now, this one is part of the series. There's a full set of like 2 or 3 boxes with more tools, but I've got the main thing here, which is a drill. This box, really quickly, you can carry it around. It's pretty easy. It's got a handle on top. On the bottom, there's like 4 bumps to help prevent it from sliding somewhere, which is my guess. And then on the side, each side has like an extra lock in place. And then once you take those out, you press the open button here, lift it up, and you're introduced with this. Designed for ultimate creativity. So in the box it comes with all of this, including a user manual, a USB to C charger, USB to USB-C charger. They're both USB-C, just to clarify. And then we got the drill head right here, the cordless smart drill head. It seems like there's 5 modes on here. Look at how nice this looks. I'm not going to go over all the heads here, but here's everything else it comes with. It seems like a sufficient amount of stuff to really deal with. And again, there are 2 more boxes when you buy this, so I only have the front one. Now this is really simple to use. Since it's pretty much always on, you just got to unscrew this front part here. Find your 2 pieces, including a flat head. We'll use this one for this time. Just goes in magnetically. Put this back in, and then tighten it up. And you're ready to go. And then you can check this to make sure it's working, then press the reverse button just to make sure everything's ready to go. There's a few things to love about this part, including my favorite, which is if you push this forward, you can actually tilt this around a little bit. This is great for getting tight areas when need be. So that comes in clutch, and then it goes back straight if you just bring this down. And then once you are done, you can just pull this out, just like so, and put it back into your box. Very easy, very simple to set up. I like this form factor, and it's even easier for my old man to carry because of the form factor compared to the Black & Decker one that we have that's a little bit older. This is a lot better to hold on in your hands, and you got the light too, which comes in clutch when need be. The other thing that's nice is once set to auto, it kind of determines how much force needs to be used. So on here is the lowest, then it goes up all the way to the highest here. There's 5 modes here, and auto is pretty convenient. Picture this, you're in a dark area. Thankfully, I've got my phone here, so I can easily see how I can remove this. So having an extra flash would be great. Now let's say I don't have a flash. Well, I have this here with me. This lights it up really well. Now I can just put this screw on there, and then in, like so. Alright, and now it's in. Look at that. It was that simple, that easy with this. Another great feature is the ease of use for charging. I'm using my phone charger here to recharge this. Overall, this makes it a lot easier and simple to use. I love this.